I'm Brie the Plant Lady, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I have yellow peppers roasting in the oven. I have delicious tomato sauce cooking here on the stovetop. And to make both of these things extra special, I wanted to use some of my homegrown basil. What I realized is fresh basil is great, but it's not actually the most practical, especially for long-term use. So today I want to show you exactly how to make your own dried basil that will store in your cupboard and you can sprinkle onto any meal any time of the year. The first step in getting your basil to dry is just to give it a quick rinse in the sink to make sure that you don't have any bugs or anything. Shake it off, and I keep it really simple. You can either hang it upside down in an area with good ventilation, or be even simpler. Take these lower leaves off, put it in a vase with no water, just set it on the counter. Set it out of the way, and in a few days, all these leaves will be dried. Now the next step, once you have your branches dried, is to just remove all of the leaves off of the stalk. And then you can put them in a bag if you choose, and then you can grind as needed. Or what I'm going to show you is taking it from this to the final stage so that it doesn't take up so much room in your pantry and it's ready to be sprinkled onto any meal that you make. So a really important thing to note is that the leaves have to be totally dry in order for you to grind them. So these are the leaves that I just pulled off of the branch that had been drying out for about 3 days. And if you notice, I put it in my coffee grinder and it doesn't really grind very efficiently. That's because there's still too much moisture in these leaves. So I'm going to do a pre-grind and then I'm going to actually set these out for another couple days to dry completely. The final step is just putting these into these nice little ball jars with a screw-on lid and a handy opening to be able to shake the herbs right out.